0, 1, 2, 5, and 4.
Okay. You get the word here and then put it beside the numbers. Okay? Oh, go, huh? Go, look. 0. 0. Very good. Put it beside the 0 number. Okay. 5. 5. Look. Look. 5.
This one?
Very good. Very good. How about the word 2? The word 2. Very good. 1. 1. Very good. 3. 4. Okay, very good. Okay, let's read this again. This one.
3, 5, 4, 0, 1, 2.
Very good. These are what we call this one. They are words. Say words. Tama? Words, ano? Ay, tama, words.
Number words.
And no, these are what? Numbers.
Numbers.
Okay, last ha? Oo. What's this?
3,
Sorry.
4, 5, 0, 1.
Very good. How about this one?
4,
Very good. This one.
3,
Okay, good. This one.
1,
No.
0,
Very good.
1,
This one.
2,
Look.
5,
Very good.
4,
No.
4,
This is 4. 4. There's letter R. About this one.
2.
Don't forget it, ha? You're very good na nga eh. Okay? Okay na. Maano na naman to kasi